Now, a health centre has been commissioned to provide access to emergency health care for the people of BOATERIGU in the BOATERIGU Nakpanduri district of the Northeast region. According to officials, the hospital was built in response to the people's plight, particularly pregnant women who were forced to endure extreme pain in order to get maternal care. Speaking at the commissioning ceremony, the Member of Parliament, BOATERIGU Bandim, who facilitated the construction of the facility, said the facility will bring dignity to childbearing and improve the lifespan of the resident. Correspondent Elias Utanko was at the commissioning ceremony and filed this report.
Due to the lack of a healthcare facility and the poor nature of the road, we are losing babies and pregnant women here. A lot of women have lost their pregnancies because of the nature of our road. But with the coming of this facility, we hope to see women having safe deliveries in this community. Women in the community of BOATERIGU recount the painful experiences pregnant and labor patients are having to undergo to safely deliver their babies. In this small village located a few miles north of the town of Nakpanduri in the BOATERIGU Nakpanduri district, the women say child delivery has become almost a matter of life and death. The road is in a poor state, so getting to the nearest facility in Nakpanduri is always a risky encounter for pregnant women. Many are those who have been left with severe complications, and others have lost their lives and babies. The community of nearly over 1,000 inhabitants is without a healthcare center even for emergency services, and people who fall sick have to travel by motorcycle or trek to either Nakpanduri or Bintiri, and most often further to the regional capital several kilometers away on a bad road for medical treatment. This has resulted in many preventable fatalities and health complications among other implications. Now, the situation is about to change with the commission of a CHIPS facility which will now bring healthcare to the doorsteps of the community folks and end the years of health inequalities they faced. At the commissioning ceremony, the Member of Parliament, BOATERIGU Bandim, who facilitated the construction of the facility, explained why he decided to seek help on behalf of the people of BOATERIGU.
During the 2020 electioneering campaign, I witnessed women suffer so much pain in order to give birth. There were occasions where I witnessed a woman give birth on the streets, in the gutter, with all due respect. And I thought that was so demeaning of our women to be given birth in gutters at this time in our history as a country. So after the elections, I thought it wise to seek for assistance from other non-governmental organizations to relieve the pain of our women.
He said the facility was funded by the global non-governmental organization, the Catholic Relief Services, through his unrelenting effort, and reminded the government of the New Patriotic Party to complete all critical social infrastructure that have been abandoned across the district.
I will say, anytime I'm speaking, they give me minutes, but no problem. I'm a politician. I will say that just as CRS has been kind enough for us, our government will also see to complete most of the abandoned projects in the district. It is very important. My senior brother is here, the regional minister, Your Excellency. I remember I was in your office about a year ago to plead with you that the bridges in Kambatiak, Nanya, up to BOATERIGU be completed. Please, I still plead that you use your influence as the regional minister to ensure that those projects are completed, and many other projects in the district that need to be completed.
The new facility was also provided with a tricycle ambulance and a motorbike for administrative duties of the staff. The commissioning ceremony was attended by both global and regional leaders of the CRS, staff of the BOATERIGU Nakpanduri District Assembly, including the District Chief Executive, the Regional Minister and his entourage, traditional and religious leaders and members of the community who were delighted and thanked CRS for the intervention. Ilyas Sutanko reporting from BOATERIGU in the Northeast region for JoyNews.